Why do you need at least 35,000 Verasity coins? Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head toward the video. Do you know that there is a blockchain project where you can get proof of every view and earn by watching videos? Whether you're an esports enthusiast or have a company to market products, you need a place where you can effectively manage ads. Verasity is the place that lets you literally forget all the past digital marketing issues and frauds. If you were earlier finding a project that should have the potential to dominate the ever-growing business industry, Verasity is the one you must have your eyes on. But what is Verasity, and how can I use it in the first place? How is it going to dominate every business and increase its net worth? Or better, how profitable it can be for you? Don't think too much, because today we're going to reveal everything you need to know about Verasity, and then we'll talk about the thing that matters. Why do you need at least 35,000 Verasity coins? But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any interesting news and opportunities about the crypto world. Let's get started with what is Verasity. Verasity is a blockchain platform that has completely revolutionized both the gaming and the ad world, being the site where content creators around the world can legitimately get 100% real viewers. Verasity is changing the concept. Verasity, in essence, takes its root to esports, streaming, and digital ads management to potentially decrease frauds. How it does this is interesting to know. Verasity lets the content creators run their ads and get legit proof of views, which is a new technology tested by Verasity. Unlike running your ads and getting fake views from bots, Verasity makes sure that all your views are real to increase the efficiency of the ads. Verasity is not only limited to its own network, rather it has ties with major video platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Vimeo. Whether you are a content creator yourself who loves to make videos about gaming, or you love to watch esports videos, you can make money using Verasity. Due to this revolutionizing concept, Verasity is turning the market toward itself, which is crucial for the investors. Let's find out why you need at least 35,000 Verasity coins. If you are a pro investor, you already know that those products or cryptocurrencies turn the tables and boom, which have high demands. In simple words, if a cryptocurrency is going to be everyone's favorite, since everyone is using it, its value will increase over time. Coming back to Verasity, it's a project that is going to bring every industry toward it due to its futuristic concept. But how can it dominate? You need to know this to decide whether Verasity can really reach the sky or not. Verasity lets you have features that you may or may not get on any other platform, which is why every genius investor is taking interest in Verasity. Verasity lets you have some exceptionally terrific features. The first feature is, it lets you run your ads and have proof of view to know whether your ad was seen by real humans or not. In this way, every video posted on any platform will have more viewers than ever before. And since you are getting organic views, it will give your videos much-needed push, which will bring more revenues for the creators. Thus, letting content creators make a gigantic revenue is what Verasity is so popular and effective in the market. But bringing more revenue for only content creators is not Veracity's only focus. If you love to watch gaming videos or stream, you can earn money using Veracity's Watch and Earn feature. Yeah, you can now literally just watch the gaming video and get Verasity coins in return. If you earlier longed for money, then now you can just enjoy watching videos and get paid for that. Also, you get a Vera Wallet when you join the platform, where you can keep all your tokens and stake them to earn more tokens. Therefore, the Vera Wallet is another amazing feature from Verasity that takes the already remarkable fame to heights. Vera Esports is another distinctive feature that is a place where content creators from all around the world can publish videos and make more revenue. It's also a place where video lovers can watch videos and earn money. Or even you can create your tournaments and increase your chances of earning more Verasity coins. One of the reasons why you should invest in Verasity is that it has already collaborated with some major names in the gaming world, like Axie Infinity, Valorant, and Riot Games, meaning Verasity is already creating ties with some big projects that will give a push to its popularity. The biggest reason why investing in Verasity is worth it is that its coin is the only currency where every deal would be done on the platform. Whether you are playing for ads, earning for watching videos, winning the rewards, or staking coins, the only currency used will be the Verasity coin. Due to this, the coin will increase its price, which will be worth it for the investors like you. Another vivid reason for its growth is the limited supply of Verasity coins in the market. Currently, there are about 4.47 billion Verasity coins in the market, while the total supply is limited to about 10 billion. Also, the Verasity coins will be burnt over time to increase the value of leftover coins, which will boost the coin's price. Talking about Verasity Future, it's brighter than we think, due to its two exceptionally surprising features, which are proof of view and watch to earn. It's going to take its root in every business. On one side, it will be boosting up businesses to increase their ad effectiveness, and on the other hand, it will be letting viewers earn money just by watching videos. At present, Verasity is only working with the esports and NFT world, but in the future, there is a possibility that it will expand its network. If it does so, the growth and valuation are going to be extraordinary. And now, let's find out how much profit you can make if you buy 35,000 Verasity coins just now. At present, the Verasity coin is being traded at 0.03314 and is increasing its price every day. The price increase is so promising and the potential in Verasity is so attractive that analysts say that Verasity will soon achieve a price of 0.18 cents. But that's not a big profit, as much as we want, right? Wait for what you want to hear. If Verasity coin just continues to increase its price at the same pace it is increasing now, it can hit the $1 mark in no time. It will be an increase of more than 3,017% in the price. What it really means is that if you today buy 35,000 Verasity coins, it will cost you only $1,159. And then if you hold them for a while and then sell them, they will be worth more than $35,000. But the good news is yet to be told. Buckle up because the bullish price prediction is going to blow your mind. If Verasity dominates the market and the market stays bullish for it, then your $1,159 worth 35,000 Verasity coins will be worth $175,000. It is being expected by Verasity bulls that its coin can soon hit the $5 price, since Verasity has much more to reveal in its roadmap. If you were earlier uncertain about Verasity, then you now know that no matter what happens, investing in Verasity is going to bring you profit. In conclusion, having at least 35,000 Verasity coins will cost you only $1,159. If you hold them for some time, it could bring you $35,000 and even $175,000 if the market stays bullish for Verasity. To not miss out on this opportunity and to make a sound decision about investing, keep yourself updated with the latest news and updates about Verasity. And if you don't want to wait, now is the time to make your move and invest. Did you know that a project could have the power to affect every business? What does it mean? Well, it means that Verasity is going to be every business's choice in the future. Don't be shy to comment right below. Would you want to buy 35,000 Verasity coins to pocket a big profit? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any exciting videos about the crypto news and updates. Until the next video, stay tuned.